I promise this is the best way to learn talking about your daily routine in French. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 25 simple and useful daily routine sentences in French with English translation. These sentences in this way will help you talk about your day in French. Let's get started. In this method, I'll give you a sentence in English, and you have 5 seconds to translate it in French. Then you can check it. In this way, you can learn to talk about your daily routine. Are you ready? Let's get started. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Je me réveille à 7 heures. Je me réveille à 7 heures. Je me réveille à 7 heures. I get up right away. I get up right away. Je me lève tout de suite. Je me lève tout de suite. I make my bed. I make my bed. Je fais mon lit. Je fais mon lit. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Je me brosse les dents. Je me brosse les dents. I wash my face. I wash my face. Je me lave le visage. Je me lave le visage. I take a shower. I take a shower. Je prends une douche. Je prends une douche. I get dressed. I get dressed. Je m'habille. Je m'habille. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Je prends mon petit déjeuner. Je prends mon petit déjeuner. I drink a coffee. I drink a coffee. Je bois un café. Je bois un café. I leave the house. I leave the house. Je quitte la maison. Je quitte la maison. I go to work. I go to work. Je vais au travail. Je vais au travail. I take the bus. I take the bus. Je prends le bus. Je prends le bus. I arrive at the office. I arrive at the office. J'arrive au bureau. J'arrive au bureau. I start working. I start working. Je commence à travailler. Je commence à travailler. Je commence à travailler. I check my emails. I check my emails. Je vérifie mes emails. Je vérifie mes emails. I take a break. I take a break. Je fais une pause. Je fais une pause. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. Je déjeune à midi. Je déjeune à midi. I continue working. I continue working. Je continue de travailler. Je continue de travailler. Je continue de travailler. I go back home. I go back home. Je rentre chez moi. Je rentre chez moi. I do the groceries. I do the groceries. Je fais les courses. Je fais les courses. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. Je prépare le dîner. Je prépare le dîner. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. Je dîne avec ma famille. Je dîne avec ma famille. I watch TV. I watch TV. Je regarde la télé. Je regarde la télé. I read a book. I read a book. Je lis un livre. Je lis un livre. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Je me couche à 11 heures. Je me couche à 11 heures. Great job, mes amis! Now you've learned 25 useful French sentences to talk about your daily routine. You can practice these sentences every day to improve your French vocabulary and pronunciation. Let me know in the comments which sentence do you most in your daily life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also learning French. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video. Au revoir, mes amis!